Hey everybody, Dean here in Dean's shop, and today I've got a tool that needs to be repaired, and more specifically it's handy dandy crosscut saw, handsaw, powered handsaw, circular saw, call it whatever you like, but I've had this for so long and I really know it, you know what I mean? I know every feel of it, how it reacts and everything, and I replace blades fairly often, so when you're cutting, everything's going real quick, real smooth, and nice and straight. But now I'm going to get a battery-powered one, but for smaller jobs, so because they're lighter weight, I can just grab it and go. But for an all-day job, I use this. But as you can see, it's kind of frayed. There's a nick right here, there's a nick right here, a bend and cut there, another. So it's been time I need to replace this. And I have never done that before. I don't think. Have I ever done that before? I can't think if I have or not. But I went over to my local Ace Hardware, and in the electrical section where they have their extension cords and everything is a 6-foot power tools replacement supply cord. And I went, oh yeah, ding, 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 ding. So I'm going to start to take this apart and see what happens. I was going to get all mic'd up with my mic, but I can't find my dongle. I don't know where my dongle is. If you don't know what a dongle is with iPhones, it has a proprietary power jack and no headphone jack. So you need to have that, and they make this little dongle that is an adapter basically. And I can't find it, but that's okay. Just gonna get the cord ready. I measured how long this old cord is, and it's 6 foot, and that's pretty standard because this is how long that is. All right, so looks like just a bunch of screws all along here, and I think it's just in the handle that I need to do. So I'm going to start with that. And this has just been really great for me, and I don't see any reason to buy a new powered one. I will buy a battery one, but I don't know. It works great. Call me old school or whatever. No, don't call me old school. But oh, that's wrong. One of my favorite things is to take shit apart, especially if I've never done it before, but I'm hoping. Hey, good. That came out. All right, so. Okay, let me see if I can. Here's the switch. Here's the cord. So I may have to get this cord unless I think I'll just have to tie it in. I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm just going to have to cut these and splice them in. That shouldn't be too hard. Should I use wire nuts? I could use wire nuts, or I could solder it. Yeah, and it's been riveted, sealed in here. It's sealed with a rivet, so I can't necessarily do that. So it looks like I'm going to be basically splicing it in. So, okay, but that's what I'm going to do. So, I thought it was going to be easier than that, but no worries. I I gotta see if 2 little wire nuts will fit in there. Maybe even smaller than. And then the room that's in here. I might be able to get away with wire nuts. Wire nuts can hold pretty damn tight. If they get a good grip, you should be good. I'm gonna cut that. Here goes nothing. Ah! Ah! Okay. So now I have my handy dandy wire strippers. Okay. I do that end. I do this end. Hey man, Harbor Freight and Salvage, $10. It's amazing, and you can set how the depth, however much you want to strip. I usually do it by eye, but that's me. Okay, so the other question is, do I try to pull this thing? I don't think I can even pull that out. What am I going to do about that? And this is to keep things from bending too bad. From keeping the cord from bending too bad. What am I going to do about that? I have to look into that. Okay, I was able to get that piece off the old cord, and I did it by sticking the old cord in the vise and kind of just twisting and loosening. I did have to use some silicone spray to loosen it up, and then I had cut it off right here, and I slid it off, and it went back in here just fine. So I think this is as long as I need it. Just need to see where these cords want to go. I think they want to go on over the top. So where's the flat part right here? Okay, goes in like that. And then I'm going to do a white cord. I'm pretty happy with that. And then I'll do the black cord. Maybe I should stuff this in first. Yeah. Yeah, because there's room in there. So I will do that. Well, to be honest, this is a lot simpler than I thought it was going to be. Okay, now. Okay. I believe that that's how it's going to go. Just need to fit the top over the rubber piece, and slowly but surely it fits in there just great. Oh, but you know what I want to do first? Because, well, why not? Okay. Squeezy, 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 snappy, snappy. One, two, three, 4, 5 bolts and a nut. Alrighty then. Look at that. New cord. How long did that take me? That's awesome. Alright, but while I'm at it, might as well swap out the new blade. Pull. Do I take off the sticker? Does it matter? It won't come off anyway, so never mind. Okay. Nothing like a new blade. Depending on how many things I do, I'll go through 2 or 3 blades a season. But like the real carpenters, they buy them in bulk so that they always have a nice smooth cut. So let's try it out. Okay. Well, blade's on tight enough. All right, so there you have it. A replaced cord on a power tool. It's as simple as going to your Ace Hardware and figuring it out. It's pretty easy. Or by watching this. Okay, so next time, I'll see you later. So, you know, these days are known as throwaway days. That you can just throw something away and go buy another one. Because why not? But I don't find you learn anything by that. Yeah, it's great to go it's great to have new tools. It's great to have new things. But if there's something as simple as taking one of your favorite tools that you feel confident and rely on, and you can just replace it with a brand new cord for, what did this cost me? $8.96. And you can probably find it cheaper than where I got it from, although you may not find it in another place. That's why it was $8. But for $8, I could keep my old tool. So I don't know if that's it's just something I believe in, and if I have the power and the ability to do something like that, I might as well. But also, to any of my friends in town, if you have something that needs to be repaired, hit me up, man. Other than that, that's my rant for the day. Repair it if you can, especially if you like the thing. And that's it. Hey, and a reminder, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and there's some more videos down there. So do it, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.